So here's what you can expect if you're going to be traveling locally. I'm giving you the green light for today. Just be mindful this morning. There could still be a couple of slick spots on those side roads, but otherwise the main thoroughfare is looking just fine. We'll see plenty of sunshine today. Just fine for travel on New Year's Day and even good for Tuesday, although a lot of us are going to be going back to work, right? And then I've been keeping an eye on the airports as well. Doing just fine at Philadelphia International. It's cold, a few clouds. Current temperature there right around 16 degrees. I am seeing some fog, though, in places like Seattle and Los Angeles. Right now, we're looking at departure delays 15 minutes or less. Keeping an eye on those two cities, though, with that fog out there. So it's 16 degrees right now in Center City. We have winds coming in out of the northwest at 15. So it feels more like 1 degree out there, but definitely a different scenario compared to what we dealt with yesterday with the snow and the low visibility. So at least today is dry, but it is so dry and so cold for sure. 15 degrees in Wilmington, 17 in Millville. We are at 20 degrees down the shore in Wildwood. It's 15 in Atlantic City. But then we have the wind on top of that. Winds coming in out of the northwest, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're at 15 right now at Philadelphia International, 13 in Wilmington. You factor in that wind and it feels so much colder out there. This is the wind chill, what it actually feels like to bare skin. 4 degrees is what it feels like in Millville. 1 degree in Wilmington feels like 3 below in Reading and 13 below up in the Poconos. High temperatures today only making it into the teens and 20s, and actually the single digits for the Poconos. You can look for high around 17 in Allentown and Reading, high around 23 degrees in Philadelphia, 20 in Wilmington, 20 in Dover, 21 in Dover, and then down the shore we're going to be in the low and mid 20s, but it's going to feel like the single digits pretty much all day. Here's your New Year's Eve wind chill tracker. Feeling like 8 degrees by 3 o'clock, 3 degrees by 6 p.m., 1 degree by 9 p.m. And as we head into the 9 o'clock hour tonight, a wind chill advisory goes into effect for the entire region for wind chill values anywhere from 5 degrees above zero to 10 degrees below zero, and that's going to last all the way through 11 o'clock on New Year's Day. And as the clock strikes midnight tonight, we'll be checking in at a chilly 12 degrees, but it's going to feel like 5 degrees below zero. So if you are planning to be outside, you have to prepare, you have to bundle up, you have to dress accordingly, because you can catch frostbite in as little as 30 minutes. Exposed skin can if you aren't protecting it and bundling up. Storm Scan 3 shows that we are completely dry again, a completely different situation from yesterday. So that means if you are heading out to the Birds game, it's going to be a cold one, but we are going to be dry. Single digit wind chills the entire game, blustery and cold post game. Temperature checking in right around 19 degrees. And into New Year's Day, the coldest ever New Year's Day was 16 degrees. That was set back in 1918. We're forecasting a high temperature right around 19 as we head into tomorrow. That would make it the coldest New Year's Day in 100 years. Here's a look at your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast on Tuesday, 26, 32 Wednesday. We're watching the coast on Thursday. A coastal storm looks like it's going to be offshore, but if it comes any closer, we'll be keeping an eye on the models. We could have a chance of snow in the forecast.